Don't be put off by it. Don't be so... You're only on your high horse. You'll be alright.
Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Welcome to all new people. What it do?
Yes, to the new people. So we've just stopped off in Portmagee for some ice cream. So Portmagee, you can actually take turboats out to Skellig Michael.
We're not going to do that today though because we kind of ran out of time. But yeah, this ice cream I can't wait to mill it. Valencia Island is just kind of like right across from us here. You can drive across it on over that bridge, but we're not going to do that.
There's a bright head over there.
There is a bright head over there. Check out our bright head video. But yeah, so there's an awful lot to do in Kerry. You need to give yourself at least 5 days. Like we're here for 5 days. I don't think we've enough time. You need at least 5 days in Kerry. I'd say at least a week.
Oh yeah.
We messed up a little bit. But look, it's not the end of the world. We'll enjoy it.
See the ocean, how it sways in the sun.
So that bar back there, the bridge bar on Moorings, that's where Mark Hammil poured a pint of Guinness.
For anybody who's not a Star Wars nerd, Mark Hammil is Luke Skywalker.
Yep. And you can also do the, what's it called?
The Force Perfect Pour, or Perfect Point Challenge.
Where it's basically to try pour the perfect pint of Guinness.
Which Mark Hammil succeeded in doing because he's Jedi Master.
And they have it all set out. Have a look at what it's like.
Stories of joy and of sorrow.
So next place on our stop is the town of Cahershiveen, which is the birthplace of Daniel O Connell. For those who don't know who Daniel O'Connell is, he was the Lord Mayor of Dublin in the 1800s.
Also the main street in Dublin, where the square is, not that big expensive stick that's in the middle of Dublin. Yeah, the street that's on is called O'Connell Street. It's named after him.
Daniel O'Connell. So yeah, there's a visitor centre and there's an old RIC barracks here, and there is like a little museum and stuff that you can go visit.
It's closed today, but
it is closed right now. It's probably was open earlier on, or
maybe
because of COVID it's closed. I'm not too sure, but it's in a really cool castle.
Check what it looks like.
Hello!
Doodly doodly! You like my humble abode?
Would you like to show them the kitchen area?
Let's go.
You need the key.
I need the key.
So we're staying in this beautiful little Airbnb called Tigín. And it's...
We'll let you know soon what Tigín actually means because we're bad at Irish.
So it's split into the bedroom area and the little kitchen area.
Come on in this way, folks. This is not cool.
It's so tiny that is not blood, by the way. It looks like it on the screen, look.
Jeez, it doesn't even look anything like that.
No, it doesn't.
It's obviously the light coming in and out with the colour of the red there. Yeah. That's mad. That actually doesn't even look like that here. Like, what?
it's so tiny that you even, like, this is your wash area. So obviously you're gonna like fill up your jug and you have all your little wash and it's just so cool. It's so tiny. It's so like...
It's so alcoholic.
Oh, we came to the right place, so.
At least we can leave our bottle there.
I don't think we're gonna finish it. I'd hope we won't finish it.
The camping cookbook. That could come in handy.
Would you like to show them our beautiful bathroom?
Let's go. Get our essentials first and foremost.
I mean, it smells decent for an outhouse. I also found a little light that there is here.
Yeah, I know, you put it down. But it doesn't give off much light.
No, it doesn't. So you have your sawdust. Throw it in the toilet after your use. Close the lid. Off you go back
Good to go.
Let's go have a look inside the sleeping area. Did you ever name your Carly?
No.
You should give him a name.
Look what?
Oh no.
They're in there.
So,
Well, actually, comment section name my car.
look how tiny it is. It's a proper old Irish cottage outhouse. Like that. This is where we're staying.
The house is in the bathroom, lady. This isn't an
Oh, not an outhouse. What would you call it? A little like shed. But it's just so pretty and tiny, and I love it. Really happy. It's on Airbnb. We'll leave the link below.
Don't be put off by the fact that there's an outhouse. I know a lot of people will be like, no, I wouldn't do that. Don't be put off by it. Don't be so, you're only on your high horse. You'll be alright.
We are also just at the foot of the Gap of Dunloe. So if you remember in our last video, we went to the Gap of Dunloe. We have the McGillygoody Reeks. And you can kind of see, it's behind those trees, but you can kind of see Cahershiveen, which is the highest point in Ireland. So Lee here has just been an absolute gent and went and got us some pizza. So I think for the evening we're just gonna
Lie in bed, have some pizza.
relax because we have another busy day ahead of us tomorrow because we are going to Dingle.
Hey Fungi, how are you, bud?
So to wrap it up, the Ring of Kerry is fab. I would
Absolutely.
definitely recommend more than one day. Like, we got an awful lot in, but I feel like you could probably do an awful lot more.
We're also shattered from
We
what
are
done.
very tired, whereas if you kind of break it up,
You might not be as shattered, like.
yeah. I think if you're a huge Star Wars fan, organise a stay in Portmagee for the night and then keep going and do the rest then. But yeah.
You'll get to go to Skellig Michael from there. You'll also get to do the force pull a perfect point thing that Mark Hammil done. And there's just sort of Star Wars memorabilia in like just about everywhere around there.
So yeah, we'll definitely break it up into 2 days and kind of plan ahead and make sure you know exactly where you want to stop, and yeah. But honestly, like the areas you can pull off on the side of the road, like stop off at them all because there's a different view. Even if it's only around the corner from the last one, there's a different view.
Same place but different view of it. Well worth it.
Anyway, we are gonna go have some food and get a nice early night, and we will see you in our next video for a bit of Dingle.
Like, subscribe and hit that ding bell over this side.
Please. We will see you in the next one, guys.
Peace.
Thank you, bye. Smells nice.
It's not bad, yeah, it's pretty good.
It's meant to be one of the best ice creams in Ireland.